And that's definitely AI. They stopped over there though.
Mark an enemy fighter.
That's AI. Here. Those four AI. I know exactly where the other guy's at. Yeah.
Moving.
Alright. Oh, there, maybe. No, that's no. Still AI. Oh shit! What the hell happened? Oh, you fall off.
Yeah, I was
Oh,
spider
I
scoping
got
and
you.
fucking
Oh
fell
well.
off.
I got you, man. Oh well, he's got you. He jumped down. But yeah. What the hell happened? I'm not seeing a whole lot from up here though, man.
Armored satchel here.
I'll let Blue take it if you want.
I'll take the armor satchel.
I'll
Armored
take you
satchel
too.
here.
Eyes on an enemy fighter. Enemy helo marked.
Take fire.
Oh, that is real people. That's real people. Don't let them sneak in on us on the.
Okay, that was absurd.
Oh shit! Watch out, boys. Don't get.
Ultra One, you've got
We're right
hostile
here.
reinforcements incoming.
They're pushing. One's on us. One's on us.
Squad mate is
Fuck.
One's literally on us right here. I don't have any fucking plates or anything, man. This is gonna be rough. Dude, I'm gonna have to jump.
What the fuck?
Good effect on target.
Bro, I can't believe that airstrike killed me.
I don't have any plates. I don't have.
Semtex.
That was ridiculous.
He jumped off the back.
Lighten up.
Ultra One, activity has increased in the area. Keep your eyes open.
I can hear him by me. That wasn't him, but that was AI.
He
That was gonna get me.
parachuted somewhere back here.
Okay, maybe it was. Alright. I hear it down there somewhere.
Ultra One, be advised, an operator in your area needs medical.
Mark an enemy fighter.
Yeah, let's replay. I'll take it.
Enemy sniper.
On my mark.
Ultra One, be advised, enemy threat is high in the AO.
Plates.
He's in this building.
Is that you?
Yeah.
He be right.
Ultra One, an operator is requesting medical near your location.
He ran this way.
Where the hell? Sound like I could have swore I heard him, but I guess so. Up here, no, my troll's got it. I don't know if we want to jump in there. Oh, shit's going on with that. Unless they're shooting at him.
Ultra One, you've got hostile reinforcements incoming.
I'll pick you up if you tell me where your boy's at.
He's running. He's at the exfil.
Jump back up.
You got the exfil?
Ultra One,
Any chance I can get the ODL there? I need it for a mission. Any chance I can get the ODL there? I need it for a mission.
No man, that's death tax. Kinda like it.
What's up?
You got that exfil?
Yeah.
How do you get over there so fucking fast?
Oh well.
Where are you going? Yep. Right behind you. Oh, you kidding me?
You are taking
You got me elsewhere there.
You're a half bastard. You'll make it.
Oh, watch out, you got another thing behind you.
Taking fire over here.
Oh shit, I gotta get up in here real ah, god damn it, dude. No way. I don't have any plates, so it's just...
Increased activity in the
I
area.
was hoping I could get in there and buy something before I got gunned down.
You failed basic. Check fire.
I'll stay back here.
Don't worry. You'll make it.
Appreciate you, man.
Make an effective fire.
Throw a team in the heavy right there.
Take an effective fire.
Document is authorized.
Dropped an ammo box. Load up.
Got me on 30. Yeah, I don't know about mine. Sure, just gunning for a quick.
Ultra One, be advised, winds are picking up. Move to an extraction point.
Movement in this area.
People on this roof.
Friendly airstrike in the AO.
I need to get up somehow. Nope, trying to get up. How do I... there's steps.
Ultra One, this is actual. UAV has established orbit.
Taking fire!
Man to pick you up. Okay. Bye.
Car marked.
Ultra One,
Stop somebody
be advised,
sniping
threat
me
level
here.
is high in this AO. Expect
Where did it
contact.
come from? There is AI sniping at us.
Visual on the exfil bird.
Is that you snapping?
I just sniped, yeah.
I hear a boat or something. Oh no, this. I can't get on it. You're good, go.
On the exfil bird.
I'll catch up.
Ultra One, be advised, radiation is pushing into the area. Recommend you move to an extract point.
Nobody.
Of course, man. I'm just trying to get this shit done.
Slider. Sorted that one.
Push ARM.
Dropped an ammo box. Load up.
Ultra One, be advised, UAV is RTB at this time.
Fire.
I got so mad.
Thing.
It still show a few TVs.
Under fire!
Ultra One, be advised. Enemy threat is high in the air.
Hitting. Ah, fuck. Yeah. Downed him.
I got players on me.
Down one at least, so I don't. The other one, I hear him sniping on that radio phone. I figured out it's on there. Donald's going though. I see him over there. Y'all already got him all.
Ultra One, squad mate is down. You are taking effective fire.
Look at that boy.
Who'd you get killed by?
Ultra One, squad
Right. I'm
effective fire.
Holy fuck! What the laser kind of bullshit
Oh
is
yeah.
that?
I've got you, mate.
Ah, motherfucker.
Shit. Watch out for that stupid thing right in front of you. Oh, you still on the shit, bro.
This is getting old.
Damn, dude. Hopefully I got the shit left.
The swamp creature right there. Why don't you fucking hit one of them, you piece of shit motherfucker?
Marking HLC.
Alright, let's get out of here, I guess. Hopefully, Buzz up there, he can call it in still.
Last hunt squad just turned white.
Ultra One, extraction is inbound at this time. Ultra One, this is Dino 4, inbound for extraction. Radiation's coming in hot. Be ready to move. Ultra One, extraction is no longer possible in that area. Get to an alternate extract point.
Hey, Lucifer. Alright, he's going to Koshi glitch. Report him for glitching.
Oh well. Maybe I
Oh no, no, people.
Dino 4, we're approaching the LZ now. Keep it secure
Targets
for
in
us.
Whoa, right here on us. Got him though.
Ultra One, squad
Up, another one's right here, another one's right behind me, Fuck. He's dropped to the left, Ooh, damn, I don't know how he's playing it. Ah, fuck.
fire. Dino 4 is at the extract point. Be advised, we can't stay here.
I didn't think there'd be a person there. I should. Oh, good shit, man. Oh, we got to get on it. Oh, man, fuck. Oh, fuck. Good shit. Thank you, sir. Hey, anybody got an extra self-revive? Probably not.
Ammo here!
Like yourself.
Alright, oh, hell yeah. Good shit, gentlemen. Appreciate it.
Ultra One, your squad is separated.